Welcome to Auto Car, your go-to channel for the latest updates and reviews in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Dyna, an iconic workhorse that's been revamped for the modern era. We'll focus on the exterior, interior, and an in-depth look at its design, performance, history, price, and features. Let's get started. The 2025 Toyota Dyna presents a bold and modern design, tailored to meet the demands of both functionality and aesthetics. The front fascia boasts a robust grille with a sleek chrome finish, flanked by sharp LED headlights for optimal visibility. The bumper integrates fog lights seamlessly, enhancing its practicality during adverse weather conditions. The aerodynamic design not only improves fuel efficiency but also gives the Dyna a contemporary edge. Moving to the sides, the vehicle showcases clean and precise body lines, coupled with large side mirrors for maximum driver visibility. The extended wheelbase and reinforced steel frame provide the sturdiness needed for heavy-duty tasks. At the rear, the Dyna features LED tail lamps and a wide loading bay with reinforced hinges, making it a reliable partner for commercial purposes. Stepping inside, the Toyota Dyna delivers a surprisingly comfortable cabin for a utility-focused vehicle. The dashboard is modern yet straightforward, featuring durable materials that can withstand heavy use. A 7-inch infotainment system sits at the center, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options. The instrument cluster is fully digital, offering clear, real-time information to the driver. The spacious seats, upholstered in hard-wearing fabric, ensure comfort during long working hours. Ample storage spaces are scattered throughout the cabin, with cup holders, door pockets, and under-seat compartments. Air conditioning comes standard, maintaining a pleasant environment, even in harsh conditions. With its ergonomic layout, the Dyna's cabin is a blend of practicality and comfort. Toyota has crafted the Dyna to merge form and function seamlessly. The utilitarian design is enhanced with modern elements, making it visually appealing while retaining its ruggedness. The engineers focused on aerodynamics and durability, ensuring the vehicle can handle various terrains and heavy loads. The reinforced chassis and high ground clearance highlight its capability, while the stylish exterior proves it's not just about work, it's about style too. The 2025 Dyna is powered by a reliable 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering 150 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery, whether navigating urban streets or hauling cargo on highways. The Dyna excels in performance. The suspension system has been upgraded for better stability and handling, making it a dependable option for both businesses and individual users. First introduced in the 1950s, the Toyota Dyna has a rich history as a versatile light truck. Over the decades, it has evolved to meet the changing needs of customers, offering durability, reliability, and performance. The 2025 model continues this legacy, integrating modern technology and features while staying true to its roots. Starting at an estimated $25,000, the Toyota Dyna offers exceptional value. Standard features include advanced safety systems like ABS, traction control, and lane departure warning. Optional upgrades include alloy wheels, a premium infotainment system, and advanced driver assistance features. Its competitive price and robust offerings make it a standout choice in its category. And that's a detailed look at the 2025 Toyota Dyna. Its blend of rugged design, modern features, and reliable performance ensures it remains a top choice in the commercial vehicle segment. If you're looking for a vehicle that's as hardworking as you are, the Toyota Dyna deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Autocar for more reviews and updates. See you in the next video.